Hello, this is George Simmons with the MLC CAD Systems Dallas office, and I'm going to be describing the enhancement to slot milling for 2023. In Mastercam 2022 and earlier versions, the slot mill was restricted to basically an odd round slot. It has to have two parallel lines. So we've got a slot mill toolpath. Actually, their slot mill toolpath is right here in the 2D toolpath gallery. And I've created a slot mill toolpath here for the in 2022 for the part here I've got with the slot in it. Okay, there's back plot. What I want to do is I want to show you I've created a second block here I've got that has a slot that does not have the two parallel lines. So what we'll do is we will go into the slot mill operation, and I'm just going to go ahead and chain around the floor of that slot, the solid edge. And all my parameters here, I'm using 3/8 mm. All my parameters here are set the way I like them. Oh, and then I get this rejection. It says that you have to have two parallel lines. So it's not the end of the day for me. I can handle a good bit of rejection, but you know, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in 2023 we don't have to deal with that kind of rejection in 2023. So here in 2023 I've got this initial slot mill. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change my levels to level number 2. And then I'll go to the toolpath parameters, and we'll turn the visibility of the toolpath display off. And now, when I go create a new slot mill toolpath, you'll see I can chain it. No rejection. So, good parameters, tool set. Everything's like I like it. Yeah, let's see what it does. And voila, there you have it, slot milling. Well, they allowed for a lot of other shapes as well, some odd shapes. You can have triangular shaped slots, or just let me go on my levels here and see. I created an irregular shape here, and I'm going to go back into the toolpath and turn the display of that previous operation off. We'll do another slot mill toolpath around the floor of this pocket using the same tool and the same parameters, and there you have it. It's pretty versatile now. I think you'll find it easy to use and not have to deal with so much rejection.